Most people download passive income apps expecting easy money overnight. But here's the truth no one tells you. Some apps pay very little. Some waste your time completely. And a few raise serious privacy concerns. So where does Pawns app fit in during 2026? In this video, I'll explain how Pawns app actually works, how users make money, the real earning potential, the biggest risks you need to know, and whether this app is legit or something you should avoid entirely. Let's start with the basics. Pawns app is a platform that allows users to earn money mainly through internet sharing, surveys, and small online tasks. The app became popular because it promotes passive income opportunities without requiring advanced skills. For example, Jake installs the app on his laptop and shares unused internet bandwidth while occasionally completing surveys for extra earnings. Sounds simple, right? But here's the problem. Most people massively overestimate how much passive income apps actually pay. Now here's where it gets interesting. The internet sharing feature usually generates relatively small earnings unless you have strong internet speeds, consistent uptime, and live in regions with higher demand. For many users, earnings may feel slow at first. That's why surveys and tasks often become the bigger source of income inside the app. For example, Alex leaves the app running all week expecting huge profits from bandwidth sharing alone. After several days, he realizes the earnings are much lower than social media videos made it seem. This is where most people fail. They confuse passive income with serious income. Pawns app is generally better viewed as a small side income tool, rather than a replacement for a job or business. And here's another important thing many users ignore. Privacy and internet usage. When you share internet bandwidth through any platform, you should understand exactly what permissions you're giving and how the service uses network access. Even if the app operates legitimately, some users may feel uncomfortable sharing bandwidth long term. In a minute, I'll explain who this app actually works best for. First, let's talk about payouts. Many users report successfully receiving payments through supported payout methods, which is one reason Pawns app is considered legitimate by a large portion of the community. However, payout speed and earnings consistency can vary depending on your location and available tasks. That distinction matters a lot. Now here's where the decision becomes easier. If you expect Pawns app to generate meaningful full-time income, you'll probably be disappointed. But if you simply want a small extra earning source while your devices are already online, the app may feel worthwhile. For example, John runs the app casually on his secondary computer while working from home. He treats the earnings like bonus coffee money instead of relying on it for bills. That mindset is much healthier. And here's another hidden detail many users overlook. Some survey opportunities may pay far better than passive bandwidth sharing itself. So is Pawns app legit or a scam in 2026? For most users, it appears to be a legitimate small earning platform with real payouts. But the earning potential is usually much lower than aggressive online advertisements suggest. The key is keeping realistic expectations and understanding the trade-off between convenience, earnings, and privacy. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your experience using Pawns app. And stay tuned, because next we're comparing the best passive income apps that actually pay in 2026.